Hello my loves, it's a recipe vlog. Not my recipe, this is Lebanese style green bean stew from the Connoisseurus Veg website, which is the same place I got the basic idea for the spicy Ethiopian lentil stew. And I've had this recipe for ages printed off and wanted to make it but haven't yet. Today's the day. Let us make Lebanese style green bean stew. So we start with 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. And 1 medium onion diced that I've already chopped. Not the garlic yet, just the onion. And apparently you leave that to cook for about 20 minutes, but I'll be doing it quicker than that until it browns. Onion in the pan. There, I've moved the camera up so you can see better. So now that our onions have browned a little, we add 5 cloves of minced garlic. 5 cloves of minced garlic and a teaspoon of cumin. And let that fry around until it's fragrant. Okay. Then we add 350 millilitres of broth. So I'm using I've made a broth there with a chicken style stock cube from Oxo and a veg one. We add our broth and we add a tin of chopped tomatoes. Lovely. Smelling gorgeous already, that. We add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. So I'm using one with garlic in it, and I'm just going to eyeball it. This one's from Sainsbury's. Tomato puree with garlic. It's about 2 tablespoons, I think. Give that a good mix round. Basically we just add everything in now. So we've got a cup of chickpeas, which is about 170 grams of chickpeas. We've got green beans, 350 grams of cut green beans cut into 2-inch pieces. Get all of them in. Okay. And slivered almonds, half a cup, which is about 50 grams, but I've put 60 grams in this here little bowl because it was one of the things that really drew me to the recipe. Green beans and almonds, I was like, wow, that sounds hearty and delicious and really nutritious. And now we basically keep cooking this through until the beans start to soften to your desired consistency. And then you can serve it with whatever you want. Rice, couscous, just in a bowl with a muffin, which is I think how we're going to be having it. So we'll be back to see what it's like when it's all cooked through, and the final step is adding some chopped parsley just before serving. Oh, spilled some. Looking good though. Just going to add some salt and pepper now at this point while the beans are cooking through. I want the beans soft, and I think I'm going to do a lemon and salt couscous to go with this. And it should do 2 dinners, like most meals do when you cook them in this big pot. Yeah, so I'm just going to leave them now until the beans are softened. Now it says to garnish with parsley before serving, but I got some parsley, so I'm just like, do you know what, I'm just going to go directly in with some parsley while the beans are still softening, because I always think it adds a lovely flavour anyway. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab a bunch of parsley and cut about that much off and get it mixed in there. Next step is serving. Not getting any fancy lights out or anything. Yes, it's a bit dark. This is natural kitchen. I've just done some couscous with some chicken style seasoning, some smoked paprika and some mushroom style seasoning. So that's going to be our side. There we go. And then the lovely Lebanese-inspired green bean stew. There we go. And now we'll have a little taste. And there we go. We're all plated up. Lebanese style. Lighting's not great. Lebanese style inspired green bean stew and couscous. Right, should we have a little tasty?
Yeah.
With flaked almonds. Oh, it's just really good and hearty and green beany.
Yeah.
And very tomatoey.
Which I love. Yeah. You know what, I don't think it'd be the same without the flaked almonds though.
No,
It's a
definitely
really
not.
nice addition.
I would agree.
Yeah.
Right, we're going to smash this in us faces with a muffin. We're from Oldham, don't be daft. And hope you give this one a try because it's well worth it. Recipe vlog pinned in, recipe page pinned in the first comment. This was just me doing the recipe from Connoisseurus Veg. Lebanese-inspired green bean stew with couscous.
Couscous.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, love you.
Love you.
Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to eat now. See you again soon. Until then, please be excellent to yourselves and each other. Bye, loves.